Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. Today I am going to show how to fix apps freezing and crashing on Android. There are several reasons behind an apps to be crashed or freezed. If it may be weak internet connection, poorly coded by Android developers, or you do not have enough free storage space in your device. So we have several methods to fix it. First of all, you should clear up some space in your device to run an app smoothly. You should uninstall useless apps and data on your device. Another method is restarting your device. You can press restart button on your device to restart your device and you can fix that problem. In my device, the boot button is there to restart my device, and I should use that button to fix that problem. We should also update our apps on time to fix that problem. At last but not the least, we should go to settings, and this method is the most important method to fix this type of problem. First of all, you should go to settings. So I have more settings. I have in my device, more setting in my device, and I will go to app manager, tap on apps, manage app depending on Android device that you have, and then find app that keep crashing or freezing and tap on it. So let's take one app as an example. I would take NBA Live, okay, and then next step is tap clear cache, and then we can clear up some of the space to run it smoothly, and then tap on force stop that you have in your device. Go back to home screen and launch that app again, and this is the method to fix that problem. So I hope that you have enjoyed in this video, and